Hey everybody, it's Hexa, and in today's video I will be showing you guys what I got from LUSH for my birthday. My family went over to LUSH in Hamburg to get me some things for my birthday, which I am super happy about. I've been using them for the past month since I got them, and I've been really enjoying them. So today I will be showing you guys what I got from LUSH for my birthday, as well as a few things that I've picked up since then. So first up is a bath bomb. Obviously LUSH is really well known for their bath bombs, and this one is called the Incredible Mum. This would honestly be a great gift for Mother's Day, but my mom picked it out to give to me for my birthday since it's kind of her day as well. So it kind of looks like a superhero, which is very cute. It has like a little paper cape attached and everything. And the main notes in this are orange, bergamot, and ylang ylang. It honestly smells just very kind of milky and a little bit subtle, which I really like about that. I don't like a scent that's way too overpowering. So yeah, that is the bath bomb that I got. By the way, if you see me looking down, as always, I am looking at the main ingredients on my computer screen so I can give you guys the details and everything. So the next thing that I got was a solid perfume that my grandma picked out. This is the Karma perfume, and it is orange. So it's in a little glass tub, and you kind of just like scoop it out with your finger and rub it on your neck or your wrists or wherever you want to wear it. And the main notes in this are patchouli, sweet orange oil, pine oil, and elemi oil. I'm not really sure what that ingredient is. But to me it smells a little bit citrusy, but also really warm. So the patchouli is probably what's giving it that warm aroma, and then the orange oil is giving it a little bit of that fresh citrus scent. So it's a really well-balanced scent. I tend to not like super citrusy scents, but this, because it has that warmness, is really great. Next up, this is the one thing that I actually specifically requested. I told them if they wanted to get me something from LUSH for my birthday, I would really love this, and that is the Sleepy Body Lotion. I first got like the 45 milliliter one just to try out ages ago, and then I bought a 90 milliliter one because I really liked it, and now I have the 230 milliliter one, and I'm probably going to use this all up as well. The main notes in the Sleepy Body Lotion are lavender oil, oat milk, ylang ylang, and tonka absolute, which gives it this really relaxing and just kind of inviting scent. This is great for bedtime, or if you have a stressful day ahead, to just like envelop you in this amazing calming scent. So these first three products that I showed you guys came wrapped in a knot wrap, which is kind of LUSH's alternative to wrapping paper. They got me the Core Blimey knot wrap, which looks like this. It's a very brightly colored thing, and it has a little tag on it that says it is 100% organic cotton, handmade in India. So next up, my family actually picked up a gift box for me from LUSH, and that was the Serenity gift box. I have the wrapping paper over here. Every single gift box from LUSH has its own unique wrapping paper, so it'll be easy to find it based on like the design. The wrapping paper has a little thing on the bottom that says, "This paper is made from 100% upcycled cotton t-shirt offcuts. Please reuse or recycle again for a LUSH environment." And I am keeping it so that I can reuse it because it's so pretty. I'll definitely like gift wrap something in this in the future, or use it for some crafts or something. So the Serenity box, as the name suggests, is all about all things warm and relaxing, and has a lot of like calming scents. It's really great for a pamper session. So first up, there were two soaps inside. The Sultana of Soap, which is already almost completely used up, so I'm not going to show it to you guys, and also Lavender Vida Loca, I think it's called. The Sultana of Soap has, let's check it out, olibanum oil. I'm probably gonna butcher some of these. Dried cranberries, bergamot oil, and dried currants. On the LUSH UK website, it shows the Sultana of Soap as being like this kind of round, patterned, molded thing, but in the Serenity box, it was just like a regular rectangular bar. But it was really nice. It had like little flakes of stuff on top, and it had like little raisins or dried currants or something just sticking out of it. It was, I kind of don't know how to describe the scent of it, but it was really just, as the name suggests, it was a bit exotic and gave you that like Arabian Nights kind of vibe to it, so that was really nice. Everybody in our family really enjoyed using that soap after I put it in the bathroom for everyone to use. The next soap from the Serenity box was this one, as I said, Lavender Vida Loca, which is obviously a lavender scented soap. This has like whole pieces of lavender on top of it, on this top layer. It has like a bottom layer that's kind of like opaque and this light purple, and then it has the top layer that's a bit see-through, and it smells really nice. It's a very soothing, calming scent, and the main ingredients slash scents are lavender and chamomile. The box included a foot soak, which I have never tried, but I'm super excited for it. It did get a little bit kind of crumbly in transport. It is a kind of fragile sort of product. You can see it here. You can see these like little pieces of herbs and stuff poking out of it. So this foot soak is called Foot Soak and Fancy Free. I could have sworn it used to be called Soak and Float, but that might be something else. Yeah, no, I think I'm thinking of something else. Anyway, so this foot soak is called Foot Soak and Fancy Free, and the main ingredients are fine sea salt, Tahiti's oil, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Irish moss powder, and French lavender oil, and you're basically supposed to put it in a bowl of water and then soak your feet in it, and it's gonna exfoliate them and soften them and just make your feet smell and feel really, really nice. And to follow that up, you have the pink peppermint foot lotion, which on the inside just looks like this and has a very, very fresh, delicious peppermint scent. I've used this on my feet a few times and it is very, very refreshing and great for summer. There was also a hand cream inside, which is called Helping Hands, and it has this like just delicate pastel pink kind of color. The scents include almond oil, chamomile water, fair trade organic cocoa, and linseed something. I'm not gonna try to say that word. This really is a great cream for somebody who doesn't like strong scents. I only really pick up the almond and maybe a little bit of chamomile in this. It's very, very gently scented. It really, like, it's not, I don't know, it just smells natural and simple and clean. Next, this box included the Sympathy for the Skin Hand and Body Lotion, which has vanilla in it. So it has these like little speckles of black or brown inside from the vanilla seeds, which is really, really nice. I'm actually super glad that I got this because first reading the ingredients on the website, I thought that I wouldn't like it, but now that I've received it, I actually really, really love the smell of this. The reason why I thought I wouldn't like it is because one of the main ingredients is banana, and I don't particularly like the smell of bananas, but probably because it's like natural banana scent as opposed to a artificial scent, you can't really smell the banana in this at all. The only thing that I pick up is the cocoa and the vanilla, and that is obviously, those are like two scents that I really, really like. So I'm super happy with this body lotion. I think it's gonna be another one of my future favorites. And the last two products inside this box are for the bath. One of them is the Odie Creamy Dreamy Shower Cream. Now, this has a slightly intense, bitter sort of smell to it. I'm looking through the main ingredients and I can't tell what could be giving it that bitterness, but what I think it is from the lavender oil, which sometimes when there's a bit too much lavender oil in something, it can kind of give it that slight bit of bitterness, but it actually smells really nice once you've rinsed it off. You basically just grab a little scoop with your fingers and lather it onto your body in the shower and then rinse it off, and it's kind of just a slightly creamier, more luxurious and moisturizing version of a shower gel. Definitely kind of just makes you feel like you are in a plume or a cloud of lavender. It's very relaxing and great for bedtime. Last but not least, from the Serenity box, there was a 100 milliliter bottle of It's Raining Men, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm almost out of this. There's only a little bit left, and I was like keeping it so that there would be something in here to show you guys for the video, but oh my god, this smells so good. This shower gel is amazing. Looking at the ingredients, it says the main ingredients are honey, bergamot, and some like plants and various flowery scents. I gotta say, the name It's Raining Men is very fitting because it does smell very sexy and sensual, but in a weird way, it also kind of smells like babies. You know how babies just have that like sweet, milky scent to them? They just like, obviously when they're like clean babies. This sounds so creepy. But like, I don't know, this just makes me think of like, yeah, milky, talcum powdery babies. I don't know, it's like, it's really, it's really weird. But yeah, that's honestly what it made me think of. It also has a bit of like a caramel kind of scent to it. So yeah, it's very sweet, it's very sensual, it's very comforting, and a little bit milky. Okay, so that was it for everything that I received for my birthday, but recently, it was actually today, it is Mother's Day, and I ordered a few things for my mom for Mother's Day, and she let me include them in this haul, and then I also got a few things for myself when I ordered her things. So I got 2 things for mom. I forgot to look them up on the LUSH website, so now I have to look them up so I can show you guys the ingredients. Okay, so for my mom, I got her the Deep Sleep Bath Bomb, which comes wrapped up in this like cheesecloth or whatever you might call it, muslin, linen, something. And you're supposed to just pop it in the bath with the wrap on it because it has a lot of like free floating dried lavender and chamomile flowers. So if you take off the cloth, then your bath will be like full of plants. But yeah, so this has lavender, chamomile, and neroli as the main ingredients. I really love the way that it looks. I think it's so cute and like rustic in a way. And it's just, again, a really relaxing scent. We're big on lavender in my family. That's like our main thing. So anything with lavender in it, we love. Also for my mom, for Mother's Day, I got the Girl Power Bubble Bar. So the bubble bars are basically, you can break them in pieces if you want to use them several times, and then you hold it under the water in the bath as it's running, and then it'll create like a lot of bubbles in your bath. So that's really great. This is like, it's a little floral, it's a little girly, it's a little bit kind of candy-like. Anyway, the main ingredients are bergamot, cedar wood, ylang ylang, and benzoin resinoid. I really have no idea what that is, but I got it because it's very cute. Obviously, it has the whole Girl Power logo thing going on, and it's pink and blue and very pretty. Kind of reminds me of the Powerpuff Girls. Okay, so those were the 2 things that I got from my mom for Mother's Day from LUSH. I also got her a R2-D2 mug because she is a huge Star Wars nerd and specifically really loves R2-D2. Now, for myself, I ordered the Soak and Float Shampoo Bar, which looks like this. The reason why I bought this is because recently, I don't know if you guys know, I don't know how long you've been on my channel, but about like 1 or 2 years ago, I used to have bright blue hair, and I used to bleach and color my hair with really crazy colors very frequently. And that caused my hair to fall out and get really thin and damaged. So I ultimately decided to stop dyeing my hair, and I haven't put any new dye in my hair for over a year now, which is good because now it's like chin length and healthy and all that. However, before I started bleaching my hair, I always had a bit of an oily scalp problem, and now that's translating to like a little bit of dandruff, like flakiness going on my scalp. And there can be 2 causes for dandruff. You can either get it because you have a dry scalp or because you have an oily scalp, and mine I think is probably because I have an oily scalp. And so sometimes when I come out of the shower, there's just like little white flakes in my scalp, and it just makes me obviously really self-conscious and not very happy about that. So I reached out to LUSH and I sent them a message and I asked them what hair products they would recommend for dandruff issues, and they recommended this shampoo bar. I've been really loving the shampoo bars. They all smell amazing and they're really fun to use, and they create a great lather, which is partly because they have sulfates in them, which is not that great for hair, but anyway. They recommended Soak and Float for if you have dandruff, so I decided to try this out. I've only used it once, so I don't know if it's actually gonna work, But so far, I really like the smell. It has a little bit of floral and a little bit of like earthy herbal kind of scent. It reminds me a bit of the Copperhead Shampoo Bar. It says the main ingredients are rose oil, cade oil, and tonka absolute. I can't necessarily smell the tonka in this, but in any case, it's like a very nicely balanced scent between a floral and an herbal smell. Along with that, I asked them in the special note at checkout to send me a sample of Super Balm because they also recommended Super Balm for dandruff, and instead of only including Super Balm, they actually sent me 3 little samples in their tiny black tubs. They sent me Super Balm, Shine So Bright, and Roots. So far, scent-wise, I think Shine So Bright is my favorite. Super Balm and Roots both smell a little bit minty and fresh, whereas Shine So Bright, I'm pretty sure has either chamomile or like dandelion or something in it. It just has this delicious scent. Actually, I'm gonna look that up and find out what that is because it smells so good. Interestingly enough, I can't find Shine So Bright on the UK site. I'm gonna try the German site. Nope. Okay, so I'm not finding it. I'll try to find it. It says, anyway, Shine So Bright is a hair balm for split ends. So I'll try it out, see if I can find it, and buy it, because it smells good. And the last thing I'm showing you guys for this video is the Twilight body spray, which I used for the first time today and managed to spray it right into my eye, which was not very pleasant. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. Points it at my face immediately. Okay, so the Twilight body spray is basically a, it's like, so body spray is like perfume except a little bit more diluted, and this smells exactly like the Sleepy body lotion. In the last Lush haul that I did, I casually said how much I wished that they had a perfume that smelled like Sleepy, and someone left a comment saying that Twilight body spray was a great, was like an exact dupe of the Sleepy lotion scent, and lo and behold, that is exactly right. It smells exactly like the Sleepy lotion, and I'm very, very happy. It comes in this hilarious like cleaning product looking spray bottle. When I got it, it had just like a little safety seal at the front, which you just rip out, and then it has these red buttons down here that you have to move up so to block the spray, and then move down so that you can spray it. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Again, it has the tonka, the lavender, and what else? Yeah, right. Tonka, lavender, and ylang ylang. It is very soothing and calming, and I'm probably going to use this every single day. And that was it for today's Lush haul. I hope you guys liked it. I am working up a very decently sized Lush collection. Not gonna lie, ever since I moved to Germany and started like shopping at Lush more frequently, I've become obsessed with their products. They all smell so amazing, and they're so comforting and just so, I can't even put it into words how much I love this brand right now. They are the pride and joy of my life. Every single time I get any money into my bank account, I immediately think, what's the next Lush thing that I want to buy? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the products that I mentioned today, please leave a comment down below letting me know. Also, if you have any products to recommend based on what I've said that I really like in this video, I would always love to hear your recommendations for me. As I said, I found out about the Twilight body spray from the comments, so I am, again, really, really happy to continue experimenting with this beautiful brand. I'm actually really upset because the Lullaby Shampoo Bar sold out on the German website. Now I'm trying to find a way to get a couple of them before they sell out everywhere else, because it was limited edition and it has the same exact scent family as Sleepy and Twilight, and I want it because, like I said, I really love the shampoo bars, and if there's a shampoo bar that is just lavender amazingness, I want in. I'm talking way too fast today. I need to slow down. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And you can follow me on Instagram for more product posts, makeup, fun stuff, and Instagram stories. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.